Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video we are going to try this. We are going to review, not review, technically it's the first impression, and I very recently got to know that impressions first impressions or review is like two different things, which I do agree. Like review ke time pe you have a product, you have very firm opinion about it, and first impression is when you try it for the first time. And this is my first impression on this Sugar Pop blush. This is their Ultra HD blush in 01 Rose, which cost only 250 rupees, which is a good price, right? This is my first impression because definitely मेरे साथ ये चीज़ होती है कि मैं एक प्रोडक्ट को ट्राई करती हूँ and then मेरे ओपिनियन बदल जाते हैं थोड़े टाइम के बाद, so until unless you try a product for multiple times आपके एक फर्म ओपिनियन उसके बारे में नहीं बन पाता, ठीक है? ऐसा कभी कभी होता है कि मुझे कैमरा पे वो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता, बट फिर थोड़े टाइम के बाद जब मैं उसको दोबारा यूज़ करती हूँ तो मुझे वो ठीक लगने लगता है. It grows upon you. So this is my first impression for this particular blush, so I don't want to get that wrong. Let's just get into the video. Let's go. Also, if you want to buy this product, the link will be given in the description box. You can check that out, and yeah. Okay, so this is how the blush looks. This is the very classic sugar pop. This is the very classic Sugar Pop packaging, that rainbow pastel theme, and it's just the same, and it's minty inside, right? This is more on the aqua green as compared to their classic powder blue, cute blue color. This is more like aqua color, which I'm not mad at. Like I like pastel colors. It's fine by me. I'm okay with this one as well. And this is how the blush looks from inside. This is, although it is rose color, like this is 01 Rose, this gives me more of a purple vibe, right? This is giving me that purple blush. This is so buttery to touch. I have it on my fingers. Let me just give you like a swatch, maybe. This is how it is, and for some reason it's just not blending on here. Okay, let's try. I'll go very lightly because I don't want to look like a joker. Okay. Ooh, okay. Nice. I'll go with a very light hand, and you see, I just added a very tiny bit, maybe not very tiny bit, but it definitely shows up really well. Can you see? Ooh, it shows up good. Okay, I'll go light-handed again, and let's add a little bit over here. Definitely buildable, right? Okay, officially Joker. You might not see it in camera, but I definitely see it in the mirror that it is very easy to go a little overboard and just mess this up. Now definitely I definitely feel like I am on that particular road, that particular boat that takes me to the cream blush island. Like I am not about matte blushes at this point of time. Even if I have to go to some certain occasion, some shadi or something, I usually go in with my cream blushes on bare skin, that lip and cheek tint, and cream blush kind of scenario. And this matte blush is definitely not something I'm going for these days. But you know what, matte makeup is actually doing a comeback, so you never know, maybe we will ditch our cream blushes and dive into these matte blushes now. I don't know. Okay, I overdid this side as well. Right now I just feel like I'm overdoing it because I'm literally wearing nothing other than foundation and blush. But maybe once I do my makeup, I'll do full face of eyes and everything, maybe then it will feel better than whatever I have done right now, right? You know what, let me just do the eye makeup and then we'll see if we need to fix a blush scenario, right? Yes guys, so this is how I did my makeup today, and I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये blush बिल्कुल fine लग रहा है. मैंने actually थोड़ा सा ये blush beauty blender की help से भी apply किया था, and that definitely did freshen it up a little bit. मुझे लगा इसमें mirror है. Stupid. So let me just give it a closer look. Yeah. So definitely मैं इसमें एक चीज़ मैंने notice कर रही हूँ कि it isn't very subtle, है ना? एक होता है ना कि ब्लश आपने थोड़ा सा अप्लाई किया, वो पता भी नहीं लग रहा. इट इज देयर, यू कैन सी देयर इज ब्लश, विच इज गुड. लाइक मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता कि मैं ब्लश अप्लाई करूँ और फिर उसके बाद वो दिखाई भी ना दे. सो फॉर दैट थिंग आई थिंक दिस कलर is definitely good, right? So if you think this can be your color, this is that rosy, very pretty color which I don't have in my collection and I am really liking it. So I definitely feel कि अगर ये cream blush होता ना तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आता. ठीक है. I would have wanted Sugar Pop to come with a cream blush rather than कि अब इस टाइम पे मैट ब्लश के साथ. But as I said, who knows, अभी मैट मेकअप दोबारा ट्रेंड में आ रहा है. So maybe we will love this all over again. And also powder formulas जल्दी खराब नहीं होते and cream जल्दी हो जाते हैं. So this is going to stay for a while. कुछ सालों तक ये रह जाएगा. So yes guys, I think this is it for today's video. It was a short video. Like मैं एक ब्लश को क्या रिव्यू करूँ? This is the most I can. Okay. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to see the makeup, it is already up on my channel. I will link that as well. You can definitely see that as well, right? So I will meet you in the next video guys. Bye bye.